What up, dudes? So, you all are probably familiar with the Mill I fly, the smaller one, not the bigger one. And I've been flying it this week, trying to get this little video part for a contest. And one of my Action 2s has a broken screen, like the screen on the back of it doesn't work, which I have the power module for it with the screen, so it doesn't matter other than I have no info of what's going on when I'm out in the field. But you all know I like to dive shit. I'm a diver. That's kind of my thing. Like, if I value a spot can have everything else there, and if it doesn't have some kind of tight hole I can try to squeeze my drone down, no higher than a 6 to me. But anyways, I was trying to get this part, and I broke 3 quads on this dive and an Action 2, and I ended up coming back the next day and I broke a quad on it again. And then the next pack I took off, pressed record on my broken screen to Action 2, and lined it up once with no intention of doing it and nailed it. Cleaner than shit, like just perfect. Got so adrenaline pumped I couldn't even fly, so I flew straight back to myself, and you guessed it, the camera was not on. So this dive has been such a big deal, I figured instead of just trying to do it and slip it in a video part on you guys, that I will go do it. Here we are to try this stupid shit again. I have to do it. I done told my camera I was going to do it. And I know I could just not post that clip, but I have YouTube integrity.
Magic.